On July 1st, 1863, the Battle of Gettysburg was fought. It was because General Robert E. Lee was going to get supplied, and he ran into the Union forces on the way. Ended on July 3rd, 1863. The Union soldiers were the victors. And in total, almost 175,000 men fought in this battle. About 100,000 fought on the Union side, and on the Confederate side, almost 75,000 soldiers. In total, the casualties amounted to about 23,000 on the Union side, and about 23,000 to 28,000 on the Confederate side. This battle ended the war ended the conquest of the invasion of the North from the Confederates.